And if I only would have known, I would have taken action yesterday, but I didn't. What's going on? It's your coach, Trev Bucheri here. Hope you're just having the best day today. And today we're going to be talking about why wait till tomorrow, what you can do today. It's all about progress. It's making progress, and it's not doing the entire thing because you know what? Maybe you don't have time. Maybe you legitimately don't have time, but you can take one step. You can, start your search on Google. You can start to accumulate bullet points and ideas and lists of to-dos and really just make progress. You can move forward even if you don't accomplish the entire thing. Why wait till tomorrow for progress that you can make today? Now, of course, this is not saying, hey, I'm going to actually take my time and I'm going to donate it everywhere and do things that really don't interest me. These are really talking about our internal dreams. When does a dream become a goal? It's when you actually start to put a plan and action behind it. So why wait till tomorrow? What you can actually do today to start moving yourself exactly towards the dreams you are looking to accomplish. So I hope you got a ton out of that today. Really quick message today, but hopefully it went right to the heart. I appreciate you so much. Coach Trev Bucheri here. You have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.